Hi, Diana Debbie from An Ageless Life. Thought I would give you a post-surgical update. It has been 22 days since I had my forehead and neck lift. I had talked earlier about my decisions as to why to have them. The forehead lift was actually something that I had because I was raising my eyebrows all the time when I was talking in order or even doing anything because I couldn't see well. And because it was my eyebrows that were sagging and not the skin above my eyelid wasn't covered by traditional insurance. So that meant that I needed to go to a cosmetic surgeon and have that figured out. While I was there, he asked me, "Do you have any other questions?" And I said, "Well, maybe." So I talked to him about having a neck lift. And I decided to do both of them, and I'm super happy that I did. But I also wanted to share with you some realistic aspects associated with the recovery time, because that part people don't really talk about a lot. And I think it's something that is really important when you think about having any kind of procedure done, is to make sure that you give yourself time to heal. So if those of you who are a little bit squeamish want to close your eyes or just hold on for a second, because I'm going to show the incision area on my forehead. This is what it looks like 22 days out. You can see it looks really good. The surgery in this area here is a little slower to heal. Actually, it's healing quite well. I just was into an appointment last week, and he said everything looks great. And over time, it will smooth out the areas that are bumped. You can see it is right along the hairline, which means that my hairline wasn't pushed back farther. But things that I needed to do differently because I'd had the surgery. One was glasses. I didn't think about glasses, but having glasses that go over my ears here, I really had to figure out a different way in order to do that. So I would see me with, where are my glasses? Are they here? Yeah. So sometimes I would be wearing my glasses like this, almost over my ear to the side, which seemed to work out pretty well. But they did get a little more sensitive than usual, because I usually don't have a problem with wearing my glasses. The coolest thing is, from the very beginning, I have been able to see better, and everything is brighter. I think it's improved my vision, we'll see, but I don't need to wear them as often as I did before, and I'm not getting the headaches that I was getting before. I noticed that I tire more easily, which is to be expected. You have to allow time for recovery from surgery. I've also been very mindful about how much I do. I'm an Argentine tango dancer, and I've taught off and on for many years. I had to take a break, which for me as a dancer was really difficult to do. But I did it. I basically didn't dance for about 10 days, went back, had maybe a 30-minute or so time period with my favorite partner, and we took it easy. And I'm still easing back into it. There's big tango events this weekend, which I'm super happy about, but I've eased back into things. I'm making sure I'm getting enough rest. I'm making sure I'm drinking enough water. I don't have any makeup on whatsoever right now. I have sunscreen, but it is a sunscreen that is more of a chemical one, so it doesn't have any tint or anything to it, because I wanted you to see what my skin looks like now. I will go back to wearing makeup at some point in time, but for right now, I'm giving my skin a break, just because I wanted to have the time to heal. So I hope this has been helpful for you if you're thinking about having any kind of surgery at all. The usual things that you would expect. You need to give yourself time out, take breaks. I scaled back on my schedule. I didn't schedule nearly as many things as I would. I'm making sure that I have lots of good fresh fruits and vegetables to eat because I want my skin to heal well and heal quickly. I continued my collagen, cut back a little bit on the caffeine, and didn't use pain meds, and those being Tylenol and ibuprofen, primarily except at night when I went to bed. So anyway, that's me at day 22. So please follow and like And this is Diana Devi at An Ageless Life, and I'll post more as my healing journey continues. Thanks. Bye-bye.